Start your own full-blown growth hacking optimization agency in seconds. 100% online and damp, ready to generate profits today. You get 18 proven conversion tools inside one easy-to-use platform. Super easy to use. Cutting-edge technology. Captures leads on demand. 100% cloud-based. Make changes on the fly. High converting designs. User-friendly interface. Premium support. Free commercial license. Exclusive bonuses. Built-in knowledge base. No technical skills required. Get Converzee agency for a one-time payment. $97 a month. $47 one time. Get instant access. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. Brands have tripled their leads and damp sales using Converzee. 3x times sales using simple Converzee elements. 2x leads by using elements from Converzee. Everything you need to engage and convert visitors into sales inside one easy-to-use platform. Get Converzee agency for a one-time payment. Check out how powerful, yet easy Converzee agency is to use. This makes you the one-stop shop for businesses looking to generate leads on demand. Welcome your customers to your site with stylized and dynamic hello bars. Engage them with different pop-ups and make them opt into your list. Explode your conversions. Overlay tab messaging, urgency timer, hello bars, image pop-up, video pop-up and other growth hacking conversion tools on any website. Maximize reach and boost engagement. Create fear of missing out, build scarcity and damp urgency with one click. Turn traffic into sales. Use back button redirection and geo redirection to drive your visitors to your offers and convert them into paying customers instantly. Save time and damp money. Stop chasing freelance designers. Save the exorbitant fee charged every time you need a conversion tool for your site. Incredibly fast and easy to use. Nothing to download. We host everything for you. Fast, drag and drop. You can have attention-grabbing bars and pop-ups in just minutes. Really easy to sell to offline clients. We have already made over $250,000 by selling various conversion boosters to rabid clients. Now you can too. 18 most powerful growth hacking optimization tools packed into a single platform. Create campaigns that work round the clock for your clients to turn more of your visitors into sales. Explode your profits in 3 simple steps. Step number 1. Copy and damp paste the single line code on your website page. Step number 2. Select any conversion booster campaign from Converzee dashboard. Step number 3. Watch your conversions increase without having to do anything extra. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website. With Converzee, converting visitors into loyal customers is really easy. By leveraging the power of FOMO, urgency, scarcity, and other powerful on-site engagement, you'll get better results and more revenue from your traffic than ever before. With Converzee you can create 18 such tools in just minutes that are always on the job for you. These help you reach out, connect, and interact with your site visitors in ways that you never could before. Boost engagement, reduce bounce rates, get more leads into your sales funnel, and most importantly, earn more profit. With our cutting-edge technology, you can create these profit maximizers with point-and-click simplicity. Converzee helps you engage with your visitors so they stay on your site longer. And watch your bounce rates drop like a rock. Communicate and engage with any visitor in real time, on any device. Offer timely incentives, bonuses, and other cool stuff to turn visitors into sales on your e-com stores and websites. Generate qualified leads, customers, and even affiliate commissions by cross-selling offers from other marketers. Take orders, appointments, handle support service issues. Get customers' feedback answered with no staff or pricey virtual agents needed. Gain your customers' trust. Drive repeat sales and improve user experience by increasing customer satisfaction. You now have incredible power to influence your visitors. Just one of the many things you can create using Converzee. Now imagine inserting timers, hello bars, and other growth hacking on-site engagement tool along with pop-ups on your site. Converzee puts your conversions on fire. Grab instant attention. Engage with visitor. Redirect your visitor to your offer. Turn every visitor into a die-hard fan and damp customer. Get Converzee agency for a one-time payment. Get instant access. Click the first link in the description below to order the product from the official website, and after that just send me the screenshot of your purchase to my Instagram. The link is below. Then I will send you the bonuses. Free video courses and book courses on how to make money online fast, 2 to 4 weeks maximum.